Welcome back, 8th grade. So, going through these example questions, we want to find the measure of angle LPR. So, here's L. Nope, that's J. Here's L. There's P. There's R. That's this angle right here. So, in order to find that, I have to find X. So, I'm going to look at what angle measures I have here. So, I have these two angles. They are both inside my parallel lines, therefore I know I'm looking at either alternate interior or same side interior. And when I look, they're on the same side. So from here, I'm going to say that 5x plus 9x plus 26 equals 180 degrees because same side interior are supplementary angles. Once I have this, I now need to solve for x. So I'm going to combine like terms. So 9 plus 5 is 14. So I have 14x plus 26 equals 180. I need to zero out my constant, so I'm going to subtract 26. So now I have 14x equals, and then 180 minus 26. And that is 154. Divide both sides by 14. Oh my goodness, I am going through lead like no other today. Divide by 14. X will equal 11. But 11's not what it asks for. It asks for LPR. So it asks for this angle here. So now we're going to do 9 times 11 plus 26. So that's going to be 99 plus 26. 99 plus 26 is 125. So the measure of angle LPR equals 125 degrees. And that's our answer. Now when we look at 7, it says which of the situations show that the lines cut by a transversal are parallel. So that's, anything that's true for parallel lines. If it's true without me knowing the lines are parallel, then it means the lines are parallel. Alternate exterior angles are supplementary. That will not show that my lines are parallel. Alternate interior angles are supplementary. Also doesn't show that we are indeed parallel. Corresponding angles are congruent. That is something that is true. Same side exterior angles are congruent. That is not true. And same side interior angles are supplementary. That is true. And I know that we could talk about same side exterior angles can be congruent if the angles are 90 degrees, or same with A and B, that those would be supplementary if the angles were 90 degrees. But that's a one-time case and does not prove that lines are parallel. Number 8, the figure shows a picnic table. The table top is represented by line BD. The ground is represented by line EG. The table leg represents AH, acts like a transversal. What value of X will show that the tabletop is parallel to the ground? So I need to find a value of X that is going to make it to where we know that these angles or these lines are congruent. Well, when I look at the angles, I have one inside, one outside, but they're not on the same side. So I can't call them corresponding angles. So I'm going to need to move one of my angles using vertical angles. So I can either move my 2x in or my x out. I'm going to move my x out. When I do that, I know that this angle ACB, and angle HFE are same side exterior angles, which means that they are supplementary. So I'm going to have 2x plus x equals 180, because I know that this angle plus this angle have to equal 180. Combine like terms, I get 3x equals 180 degrees. Divide by 3, x equals 60. So as long as x is 60, then these lines are parallel. And that's our answer. And those are your examples for that lesson. So until next time.